morning, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a very important lesson in grammar that is the simple, compound, and complex sentences. So let's start. What is a simple sentence? A simple sentence is a sentence that consists of just one independent clause. A simple sentence has no dependent clauses. An independent clause is unlike a dependent clause, it can stand alone as a sentence. Here are some examples of simple sentences. I cannot drink warm milk. A day without sunshine is like night. Now, what is a compound sentence? A compound sentence has at least two independent clauses that have related ideas. The independent clauses can be joined by a coordinating conjunction that are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so, or by a semicolon, as you can see in the compound sentence examples below. In either case, each half of the sentence must be able to stand on its own as a complete sentence. That means each half needs a subject and a verb. For example, I want the sporty red car, but I'll leave the practical blue one. In the sentence above, the subjects are italicized and the verbs are in bold. The first half is a complete sentence because it contains the subject I and the verb want. The second half that comes after the comma and coordinating conjunction is also a complete sentence with the subject I and the verb will lease. Now, what is a complex sentence? A complex sentence are fascinating components of the English language. When used properly, they can add depth to our writing. Complex sentences contain an independent clause and at least one dependent clause. An independent clause has the ability to stand alone as a sentence. It always makes a complete thought. A dependent clause cannot stand alone even though it has a subject and a verb. Complex sentences are friends and neighbors to compound sentences. There is only one difference. That is, compound sentences contain two independent clauses. That's all there is to it. Let's break down a couple complex sentence examples into its parts. Independent and dependent clauses. Let's start with an independent clause, one that can stand alone. Katie sipped her cappuccino. This is an independent clause because it's a complete sentence containing a subject and a verb and fully expressing an idea. Now let's see a dependent clause, one that does not fully express an idea. While Katie sipped her cappuccino. Although this sentence contains a subject Katie and a verb sipped, it's not a complete thought. We still need more information, therefore it's not a complete sentence. The end. Thank you.